Could we ever have imagined the world as it is today 100 years ago? Unlikely. Yet, here we stand, on the precipice of a future brimming with possibilities that once seemed the stuff of science fiction. Futuristic inventions, once mere figments of our imagination, are now shaping our lives, revolutionizing human existence. The rapid pace of technological advancement is reshaping our understanding of what's possible, pushing the boundaries of our collective dreams. Indeed, the future is not as distant as we often think. In the blink of an eye, the world will shift again, thanks to artificial intelligence and robotics. We stand on the brink of a technological revolution that will fundamentally alter the way we live, work, and connect to one another. Imminent advancements in AI and robotics promise to revolutionize various industries. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots could increase production rates and improve quality. In agriculture, they could help farmers monitor crop health and automate harvesting. But the impact extends beyond industry. AI and robotics are set to transform healthcare, with robots performing complex surgeries and artificial intelligence predicting health issues even before they occur. Our daily lives won't be left untouched either. Imagine waking up to a robot preparing your breakfast, or your personal AI assistant managing your schedule and even your finances. As we embrace AI and robotics, we are only scratching the surface of their potential. The future is bright, and it's brimming with endless possibilities. But why stop at our earthly limits? The cosmos beckons us, promising new horizons. Indeed, the infinite expanse of space holds untold possibilities for human exploration and habitation. As we speak, space agencies and private companies around the world are working tirelessly to push the boundaries of our reach into the cosmos. From NASA's Artemis program aiming to return humans to the moon, to SpaceX's ambitious Starship project, designed to carry humans to Mars, the race is on. The goal? To establish sustainable outposts for human life beyond Earth. This isn't just about exploration, but survival too. With Earth facing numerous environmental challenges, the idea of space colonization has shifted from science fiction to a viable plan for ensuring the continuation of our species. The technology is advancing rapidly. We're developing faster spacecraft, more efficient life support systems, and even methods for producing food in space. Space, the final frontier, is closer to us now than ever before. From AI and robotics to space travel and colonization, our future is brimming with possibilities. We've ventured into the realm of intelligent machines and the vast expanse of space, glimpsing at inventions that promise to revolutionize our existence. These advancements are not merely figments of imagination, but tangible realities shaping our tomorrow. Embracing them means preparing ourselves for a world of endless exploration and innovation. So, are we ready to step into this exciting future? Only